The saying "you are what you eat" holds more truth than we may realize. Recent scientific advancements have shed light on the profound connection between gut health and overall well-being. The gut, often referred to as the body's second brain, plays a pivotal role in maintaining health and can be the starting point for many diseases. This video explores how the majority of diseases originate in the gut and the mechanisms behind this phenomenon. The gut microbiome, an overview. The gut microbiome, consisting of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes, resides primarily in the large intestine. This complex ecosystem is crucial for various bodily functions. The gut microbiome helps break down food, aiding in the absorption of nutrients and energy production. A significant portion of the immune system is located in the gut, where it interacts with the microbiome to distinguish between harmful and harmless substances. Gut bacteria produce essential vitamins and metabolites that influence metabolic processes. Additionally, the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication system between the gut and the brain, affects mood, behavior, and cognitive functions. How diseases start in the gut. Inflammation and immune dysregulation. Chronic inflammation is a common thread linking many diseases. The gut lining acts as a barrier, preventing harmful substances from entering the bloodstream. However, a compromised gut barrier, leaky gut, allows toxins, undigested food particles, and pathogens to escape into the bloodstream, triggering an immune response. This persistent immune activation can lead to systemic inflammation, contributing to diseases such as autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and multiple sclerosis, which have been linked to gut. Dysbiosis, imbalance in the gut microbiome, and increased intestinal permeability. Allergies and asthma are also influenced by an imbalanced gut microbiome, which can alter immune responses and increase the risk of these conditions. 2. Metabolic disorders. The gut microbiome influences metabolism and energy balance. Dysbiosis can lead to metabolic disorders such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, and fatty liver disease. For instance, certain gut bacteria can extract more calories from food, contributing to weight gain. Additionally, microbial metabolites can affect insulin sensitivity and lipid metabolism, playing a role in the development of metabolic syndrome. 3. Neurological and psychological disorders. The gut-brain axis highlights the connection between gut health and mental well-being. Dysbiosis and gut inflammation can affect brain function, potentially leading to conditions such as depression and anxiety. Changes in gut microbiota can influence neurotransmitter production and stress response, contributing to mood disorders. Emerging research suggests that gut microbiota composition may affect the development and severity of autism spectrum disorders, ASD. 4. Cardiovascular diseases. Gut bacteria produce metabolites like trimethylamine N oxide, TMAO, which can contribute to cardiovascular diseases by promoting atherosclerosis. Additionally, chronic inflammation resulting from gut dysbiosis is a risk factor for heart disease and stroke. 5. Digestive disorders. Unsurprisingly, many digestive disorders originate in the gut. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, involves an imbalanced microbiome and altered gut-brain communication. Inflammatory bowel diseases, IBD, such as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, involve chronic gut inflammation and immune dysregulation. 6. Maintaining gut health. Given the central role of the gut in health, Maintaining a balanced gut microbiome is essential. A diverse diet rich in fiber, fruits, vegetables, and fermented foods supports a healthy microbiome. Reducing processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can prevent dysbiosis. Probiotics, beneficial bacteria, and prebiotics, food for beneficial bacteria, can help maintain a balanced microbiome. Physical activity positively influences gut health by promoting microbial diversity. Chronic stress affects gut health, so practices like mindfulness, yoga, and adequate sleep are crucial. Overuse of antibiotics can disrupt the gut microbiome, so they should be used judiciously. The gut is a central player in maintaining health, influencing everything from immune function to mental well-being. Recognizing the gut's role in disease development underscores the importance of gut health for overall wellness. By nurturing our gut microbiome through a healthy lifestyle, we can prevent many diseases and enhance our quality of life. Understanding and caring for our second brain may be the key to unlocking a healthier future.